Myself, Kalish Kumar. Now I am going to present the paper on the topic Unusual Human Activity Detection in Warehouse using Single Shot Detector. In this emerging world where technology is growing at a rapid speed, crime rate is also increasing exponentially. Warehouse is a place where the products, goods, and the vehicles belonging to an organization are stored for either permanent or temporary purposes. Unusual activities involve theft of warehouse things, unnecessary fights among employees, damaging inventory products, and etc. Supervising of the warehouse is a tedious task since the working area is very large, which involves many number of workers. The process of supervising can be made automated by using CCTV systems. Even though implementation and management of CCTV requires a well-trained human to handle the videos recorded. This can be even automated by machine learning models like SSD model, through which supervising can be easier than the traditional method. In order to maintain security to the warehouse, object detection model, which is trained through SSD, is used to detect unusual activities. Warehouse threats. We have made an analysis and made a graph for the list of warehouse threats that causes harm to the warehouse, the employees, and to the products. Here, warehouse theft holds the majority portion. Damaging the products holds next place in the graph. Motivation. In order to provide high-level security for warehouse holding different types of products from various organizations, to detect unusual activities that cause harm to inventories, employees, and warehouse constructions, to prevent unusual activities to happen by providing an alarm notification to the securities and the higher authorities as soon as unusual activity happen, to reduce manpower involved in security purpose and to improve the warehouse security simultaneously, to detect and provide immediate support for the employees who are facing accidents during working in warehouse. Challenges. Collecting large set of training images for different use cases where unusual activities are required. Identifying unusual activity use cases that can cause harm to inventories, warehouse, and to the human. Detecting multiple moving objects in a single frame with high accuracy. Software and hardware requirements. Python 3 versions, TensorFlow, Windows 10, NVIDIA GeForce 4GB, Google Colab for model training purpose. Literature survey. I have listed few literature survey papers for your references along with their limitations. Model comparison. We have made an analysis on the list of object detection algorithms in order to find the best algorithm. Here, SSD holds first place with 78% accuracy in all aspects. Existing system. High resolution closed circuit television. CCTV. Manual security employees enrolled for warehouse security. Educated and professional employees enrolled to manage the recorded videos from CCTV. Proposed system. The video from the CCTV camera is sent to the base convolutions derived from an existing image classification architecture that will provide lower level feature maps. Auxiliary convolutions added on top of the base network that will provide higher level feature maps. Prediction convolutions that will locate and identify objects in those feature maps. Thus, unusual activities are identified at a single shot using single shot detector which is shortly SST. Algorithms used: single shot detector. SSD is a object detection algorithm that has reached a new record in terms of performance and precision for object detection tasks. SSD discards the fully connected layers so that it can directly connect to the output layers, and thus the object from the video is detected in a single shot. Architecture of SSD. I have provided the architecture image of the single shot detector algorithm for your reference. Proposed system architecture. The video from the CCTV camera is observed and split into frames. A pre-processing step is followed. Previously, dataset is collected, feature extracted, model trained and testing, and a SSD model is made prepared. The images splitted is made to compare with the trained model to detect an unusual activity in the warehouse. An alarm sound is made if an unusual activity is detected, or else this process will be recursive. Moving on to the next slide, algorithm. I am providing the algorithm which we have used. Modules explanation. Collecting data sets. In this phase, images from various sources of unusual activities are gathered and it is labeled accordingly based on the classes that is divided. Feature extraction. In this phase, the images are processed so that the quality of the object to be detected is clear and of proper metrics. Model training. In this phase, the images that were collected, annotated, are made to train against a model that can learn by itself to identify and detect unusual activities from the datasets images provided. Model testing. In this step, a set of sample images along with its class is trained to check its learning ability of the model to detect unusual activities. Pre-processing. In this phase, images from the frames of CCTV video is extracted and is processed to compare against the model to detect unusual activities. Alarm notification. In this step, an alarm sound is made if the extracted images from the CCTV video is same as unusual activities that is provided as dataset for the model. Moving on to the next slide, I am providing the list of output results that we obtained by training the model and testing it. Thank you.